Hello babies, thank you once again for joining my channel. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I do my slicked back bun. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my slick back bun, how I get it so slick, so I can't wait to show you guys. Hello to all my new dope ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again for joining my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. I honestly would not be where I am as far as subscribers are concerned if it wasn't for you guys, so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always leaving me comments. I'm sorry, I try to get to as many of you guys as possible, but I don't always get there. Okay, so like I said, just enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am gonna go ahead and leave my link down for my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on my Instagram as well. I have a lot of cool things coming up for you guys. Alright guys, I will see you next week and enjoy. Don't forget, leave comments, and when you guys do your slick back buns, you better tag me. You better tag Dope Curls, because I want to see you guys and I want to repost you guys. Tag me so we can all be Dope Curls and boys together. I love you guys. I will see you guys next video.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no.